Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, i stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Chili cheese chicken tortilla. Let's try it. A nice piece of chicken. Jalapeno chili cheese. Wow. Crazy. Wow. And as you know, I've already tried. Wow. Crunch, beef crunch, whopper crunch, and chicken crunch. It's very crispy, definitely fresh, crispy, but not spicy at all. Fried chili cheese. What the hell? Chili cheese tortilla. And chili cheese tortilla comes as beef, double beef, and chicken. And each of them is with a chili cheese sauce and a jalapeno, and it's spicy. I can't even talk because my tongue was I can't talk. Wow. But definitely the chili cheese tortilla is absolutely great. There's a lot of chili cheese sauce and a lot of jalapeno. It tastes great. So if you love chili cheese, if you love spicy, there's something for you. Chili cheese. Ugh. Oh my god, my tongue. Oh. But the taste is absolutely great. So chili cheese chicken tortilla. But my preferred is with a beef. So chili cheese beef tortilla and chili cheese chicken tortilla. Try both. What about the crunch? Whopper crunch and chicken crunch is good when you want to eat something, but I prefer spicy.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie,